Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be you versus them. Okay, we will see your feelings, your energies and their energies. So this reading will be you versus them. Okay, so this is has been a long time that I have not done this reading. So many viewers are sending emails. So I want to do it now. Okay, so we have three piles here as usual. But before going to pile selection, I would like to clarify a few things here. Please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody, and you can take the energies vice versa. So if I'm saying you and them, it can be them and you also. Like you can choose the which part you belong to, or which energies you are connecting to. You can choose that side. Okay. Then if you want any personal reading, you can contact me. My details are given below. Right now up to next 2 weeks I am booked actually. I have a lot of pending personal readings, so I am not taking any new readings. But after that, definitely you can send your personal reading requests and all. Then yeah, that's all. I want to thank all of you, all the viewers and subscribers who are constantly motivating me and supporting me to do more and more readings. So I sincerely thank all of you for that, and I want you all to like, share and subscribe if you like my readings, and also press the bell symbol so that you can get more notifications regarding my new videos. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's start the reading. Okay, so let's go to pile selection. So pile number 1, this is black tourmaline. Then pile 2, tree agate. Then pile 3, amethyst. Okay, so you can choose any one of the stone which you are intuitively connected with, and if you need more time, then you can pause the video and you can meditate on the pile and you can choose it. Okay, so let's start the reading with pile 1. Whoever chose this black tourmaline, this reading is for you. Let's see, you versus them. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity. What are their current feelings and energies? What are my viewers' current feelings and energies? What are my viewers' current feelings and energies? What are my viewers' current feelings and energies? Okay. Angels and spirit guides, please give us some clarity and guidance. The completed world. Seven of stars. Then the postulant. Two of moons. The sun. And astronomer. Okay, so these are the cards of my viewers, and your bottom of the deck is death. Okay, I'll keep somewhere here. I don't know whether it is visible or not. Okay, so bottom of the deck is death. Okay, now let's see your partner's energies. Archangel Michael and Archangel Uriel, Archangel Gabriel, please give us some guidance and clarity. Angels and spirit guides, please give us some clarity. What are their person's current feelings and current energies towards my viewer? What are their current feelings and energies towards my viewers? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their current feelings and energies towards my viewers? Okay, we have two cards here popped up. Nine of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, then the Tower, Seven of Cups, and Page of Swords. Okay, and for your person, bottom of the deck is the Chariot. Okay, I don't know where to keep it, but I keep next to your person's cards. Okay, so we can see here, I can see my viewers might be, actually all signs are there. I can see all the signs, completed world, all the fixed signs, like Aquarius, Leo, then Scorpio and Taurus. And the sun means it is Leo or Aries. Okay, then I can see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, then Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Air signs are more here. Maybe my viewers, more of them are air signs. I can see some of you, I can see Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn also. But your person, when it comes to your person, definitely this person is, for most of you, it is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Earth sign. Earth sign is very, very prominent here. And I can see some of you, it is Aries also. Then some of you, it is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And also I can see Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay. So fire signs are very less in this spread. Okay. Maybe you or your person, you are not that. So many people are not the fire signs here. So let's come to the reading. Okay, so you are like a completed world. That means I can see some of you, you are in a long distance relationship. Okay, so you might be far away from this person, maybe in another state, city or country, but you see this person, whatever, whomever you are thinking about, and for whom you are watching this reading. So you feel they are your world. Okay, so you want to give them everything 100%. Okay, whatever you have, you want to give them, and you feel that they are your world. Your intentions are very pure, and you want to give everything to them. Then next is Seven of Stars. That means you have some problem, like you both had some fight, I can see here, some disagreement, some conflict. So you both had some fight. Okay, verbal fight. So because of that, you both are defensive. Even the your person is also defensive, and you're also defensive. Maximum I can see you are defensive. Okay, the person, maybe they are not showing their true colors or something like that, but you are very defensive, and you feel that when I am not wrong, why should I say sorry? Okay, like that. You are not at all contacting the other person. You are not even trying to communicate with other person. Okay, so you are just minding your own business, and you are not doing anything. But you feel that it is two of moons. That means you definitely feel that that person is your soulmate, and you both have the partnership in some way or the form. And also I can see, so for some of you, you both are like business partners or colleagues. Okay, or you both work in the same project, something like that. In office matters, you both are dealing with each other. Okay, maybe for some of you I can see. And you also see that other person is like you are you will get the happiness with this person, ultimate happiness. You feel that other person is a ultimate wish or ultimate happiness. Okay, so for some of you, maybe your this person is your husband, because I can see some of you will have a child. Either you will have a child, you have a child, or you have a child with the other person. Okay, so I can see with the sun card, I can see a child also involved here. It's a boy. Okay, then I can see astronomer and postulant. Okay, So you are like very sincere, I can say, trustworthy person, sincere, okay, and you believe in the you believe in God, spirituality, and also you are like kind of an empress state, okay. And I can also see that you have everything in your life. You have money, you have power, you have respect. Then you don't have any problem with anything in your life. You are abundant, actually, I can say. You are quite independent, abundant, and you are in a queen energy, I can see here. But only thing is you are missing this person, and but you are not trying to contact him. The bottom of the deck, it is death card. So death card means you might be thinking that this connection is over, this is the end of the relationship, you are thinking, okay. So these are your thoughts and your feelings, but still you have the connection because you feel that this person is a soulmate, and you feel that this person is your happiness. That is the reason you are seeing this reading. You are sad also, many of you are sad also. You are defensive at the same time, you are sad also, okay. Let's continue. So I can also see that you are spying on the other person, you are keeping an eye on them, maybe you are checking their social media, and I can see you are doing definitely you are spying on the other person. Okay, I think you are gathering the information about the other person. How is that person? How is he or she doing? And what are their feelings? So you are trying to get the information. They are checking their social media definitely every day. So you are keeping an eye, okay. Let's go to the your person's feelings, okay. So what they are doing right now. So I can see your person is very free spirited person, very independent, abundant. They have everything whatever they want, and they are a little what I can say, free minded, okay. They don't want to be in a control, okay. They want freedom. They don't want to commit, or they don't want to come into union with somebody like marriage and all. They are they are their way of thinking is different, okay. They want freedom and they want to be free. They are because they have everything, and they are enjoying their what do you say, bachelorhood or something like that. Because you can see in the card also, nine of pentacles, okay. Nine of pentacles means this person is definitely free. Then this person is very I can say beautiful or handsome, and they have everything in their life, money, then job, respect, everything is there with them. So they are enjoying their singlehood. They don't want to get married, or they don't want to come to any union, okay. And they don't want to come into a restricted zone, okay. They feel it is suffocating for them. I can feel their energies, okay. Now they are juggling with two things or two people, okay. So two of pentacles is there, that means they are juggling with two people. Maybe it is not two people exactly, maybe they are juggling with two things, because they are single now. They are not with anybody else, okay. Even they are flirting with anybody also, that's not a kind of a strong bond or strong connection. Maybe they'll be talking to other people, other genders, and they will be flirting a bit, but they are not into any commitment right now. So they are juggling with the job and their this love connection, or job and career, like that. So they are juggling, and they are also waiting for the some money to come back, or they are waiting for a job offer, or they are waiting for results of this connection, because they feel that they have put the seeds, they sowed the seeds, and they are waiting for the fruition and the result, okay. So they are patiently waiting. They are also not taking any action, they are just simply waiting. Even they feel that this connection is ended, because tower moment happened between you. So there was a very sudden change happened, sudden shift happened in your connection. Maybe you came to know about the other person, like maybe you suspected them, or they suspected you, they have a doubt on you. Because I can see with the in your from your side, I can see seven of stars. That means you are kind of a little trickster, like maybe you don't have any bad intentions, but maybe you are free to open to talk with everybody, like you are just free. Maybe that point your person didn't like. Even though you want to go move on your in your life also, you are turning back and looking at this person. Okay, you are not able to move on, so that is your weakness. Okay, so this person is they are also feeling that this connection is already ended, and that nothing can be done here. And I can see that they have lot of options, because they don't want to come into any commitment or marriage, but still so many people are attracted to them, because they are very beautiful or handsome, they are independent, they have everything whatever a person should have, they have your partner. So many people are behind them. Okay, and this person is not able to choose. This person is a little bit daydreaming, hallucinating which one is good for me, what to do, because they are confused actually, because of so many options. How can a person decide so quickly? So this person is having the difficulty whom to choose. Okay, but they are definitely spying on you. I can see with the page of swords, even you got the page of swords. So both of you are nicely spying on each other, but nobody is taking any move. Okay, this person is looking at your social media, asking everybody what are you doing, what are you up to. So they are searching. But the thing is, they have the chariot card here, so their overall energy is maybe they love to travel, or they are traveling, or they want to travel and come towards you. As I told you already, maybe this is long distance relationship. So maybe they are planning to come towards you, they have to travel and come towards you. Chariot means definitely it's a travel card. And they want to move. Okay, they want to take action, they want to move, they want to travel and come towards you. Okay, that's all I can feel from your person. Let's take one guidance card from angels. Angels and spirit guides, give one guidance card or advice card for my viewers and this connection. Okay, please give one advice card, please, spirit. Okay, I can see judgment. So definitely you both will reconcile, because I can see this person wants to travel towards you, and they want to come towards you. So definitely I can see the reconciliation between both of you. Okay, so that's a good sign, positive sign. So let's see what are their messages for you. What are your person's messages? Group 1. What are their messages for you? Group 1. What are their messages for you, group 1? Pile 1. Okay, let's pull. Okay, I got all these cards. Let's see what they are feeling, how they are feeling. Okay. So I cannot be with you when you need me. Okay. So whenever you wanted them to be with you, they were not there. So that's what they are regretting now. I miss you every moment of my life. Definitely they are missing you. Don't force me to commit. As I told you already, with the Nine of Pentacles energy, I can feel that they don't want to commit. Okay, so that's the conflict between you and this person. Children are affecting this connection. Okay, I already told you, maybe you have one child, or they have one child. Okay, anyone, because one child I can see here in this connection. Long distance relationship, as I told you already, it is long distance relationship with the world card. This distance is killing me, sure, yes, because they can't do anything now because of the distance. I want to kiss you. Wow, what a romantic feeling. Please forgive me, because whatever they have done, they want to ask you forgiveness, and they want to say sorry. Heart to heart conversation. So they feel that if you have a heart to heart conversation, then everything will be fair enough. Okay, I can't marry you. So maybe they want to clarify something. There will be reconciliation, but maybe right now okay, because they are asking you, or don't force me to commit, that is one thing. And they are asking, I can't marry you. Maybe they are dealing with something else in their life, because already told you two of pentacles is there, that means they are juggling. So maybe they are juggling with two people, or maybe already they have a kid for some of you, so they are saying, I can't marry you. Things will change, right? Maybe at this moment, right now, they don't want to marry you, or they can't marry you, but in future, who knows, because there is a strong chances of reconciliation. Okay, be positive, friends. This is what I have for you. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell symbol to know more notifications about my future videos. That's all I have for you. Bye. Whoever chose this beautiful green agate, this reading is for you. Okay, this is tree agate, green tree agate. So this reading is for you. Then we will see you versus them. What are your feelings? Just see how you are feeling. What are you doing? Okay, what are you thinking about this person? Let's see. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are my viewers' feelings, and what are they doing right now? What are their current energies? Spirits and angels, please give us some clarity. Okay, this is okay. Seven of Pentacles. Pope. Alchemist. Ten of Stars. The Burning Tower. And the World. Bottom of the deck you have the Chariot. Okay, this is your feelings and energies towards your partner or this person. Let's pull cards for your person or partner. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel. What are their what are their person's current energies and feelings towards my viewer? One card. Okay. What are their current feelings and energies towards my viewer? Cards are falling, friends. Okay, cards are flying. Okay, once again. So, spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. First, let me arrange these cards, then I'll pull the other cards. So, bottom of the deck, they have the Six of Pentacles. Okay, I'll keep here so that you can see. Hope you can see. I don't think so. Okay. Okay, so we have all these cards here. So first of all, the viewer might be a Taurus, Aries, then all the fixed signs. Okay, Taurus, Leo, Aquarius and Scorpio. And also I can see Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Very few of you might be the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, that's all I can see from your side. And from their side I can see Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn prominent here. Then I can see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces also. Pisces is very prominent here. Then I can see very few of you might be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay, that's all the cards I can see. Let's see your energy. Okay, now you are maybe I can see it is a long distance connection. You are far away from this person, maybe another city or country or state. So you are feeling that difference. Okay, the distance is very much so you are feeling sad about that, but you can't do anything. Okay, then you might be feeling that this person has your world, and you want to give everything to them. Okay, you have very pure and very lovable energies towards that person. Okay, I can see the Seven of Pentacles. So you are waiting, just waiting. You are thinking that you have sowed the seeds and you want to see the fruition, and you want to get the results. Okay, you are not doing anything, simply you are sitting and waiting. Okay, and you are also very as I told you already, maybe your sun sign or moon sign or rising sign might be Taurus. Okay, so you are very trustworthy, loyal, dependable person, and you are also in a respectable position in the society. You have your own job and you are doing, and people respect you. They come to you for the some advisors or something like that, so people, they come to you actually. Okay, then alchemist means you have the all the things that some of you might be Sagittarius also. Okay, so you have all the capability to make your dreams come true. Okay, you are kind of a magician, you can do anything. Okay, so you can manifest. Actually, you might be, so for some of you, you might be doing the manifesting techniques, or you are doing this law of attraction you are following, or you are doing something or praying God. Okay, you are trying to manifest this connection in your life. So knowingly or unknowingly, you are feeling this. Okay, so let us see other cards also. So we can see you are also feeling that the pain. Okay, the pain is with the 10 of stars, you feel that pain. Okay, so like 10 swords stabbed at your back, you feel that this other person betrayed you, backstabbed you, they cheated on you. So you feel that they used you, or simply they flirted with you. So you have that pain, the feeling is there. So more than you miss this person, but many of you, I can see, you are angry on that person. You feel that they cheated on you, they used you. Okay, for money or something else, they used you. The entire moment, so you feel that something ended abruptly. Okay, maybe you blocked them or they blocked you, something happened, the big fight happened, verbal fight. Then maybe the other person left you in the cold, so you have those many feelings. Okay, so still you feel that they are your world. Okay, so definitely you feel the pain. Okay, you are not able to forget this person, and you are continuously thinking about them, and you want to know why. Actually, you want some clarity or some closure to this connection. You are waiting for that. I can see the Chariot. Okay, so that means you want some movement in this connection. Maybe you want to travel and see this person, or you want them to travel and see you. So you want some movement. Right now, you are concentrating on yourself. You are concentrating on your health, your career, your money. Okay, your physique, your figure. So you are definitely concentrating on yourself. You want to forget this person and move on. Okay, Chariot means you want to move away from this connection also. Now let's see your person's feelings and energies towards you. So I can see they are juggling with two things or two people. I can see many of you, this person is a divorcee. Okay, so they have already somebody in their life, and they are pretty much single right now. They are divorcee. Maybe they are dealing with, maybe they are flirting around, or they have some other connections, and they are juggling with the job and your connection, or juggling with you and somebody else. but as of now this person is very independent, single. They are not married, okay? So they are single, they are definitely are eligible bachelor, I can say bachelorette, okay? So they are enjoying their singlehood actually. They are they also feel that you are their wish fulfillment. Sometimes for some people I can see that they are thinking that I can't get anybody like this person, okay? The feelings towards you, okay, they are thinking like that. So they also know that you are trustworthy, you are lovable, and you are innocent. You are giving your 100% to this person, and you are giving their your world to them, okay? So they see you as a king and queen, you can see in this spread, okay? So they feel that you are their partner, and they see you as a queen. But I also told you this person is divorcee, but they have some child issues, okay? Maybe childhood issues, or they have mother issues, or some queen is there in their life, okay? So maybe this is a high priestess also is there, and also queen of cups is there. So that means maybe a mother figure is influencing this connection, or maybe their ex-wife. They might have children also with that other person. Maybe they are dealing with the child custody, okay? So right now they are walking away from some connection. Maybe they are walking away from your connection, or they are walking away from the previous hurts, like their ex, okay? Because I can see this person is divorced person, so maybe they are walking away from that connection. So they are right now walking away. They are single, they are walking away. They are trying to forget everything whatever happened, and they want some peace actually. They want some they are tired of these fightings and all. They are sad also, they want to move away. Right now they are enjoying their singlehood, because they feel that okay, so being single is very good for them, and they don't want to come into any commitment right now. They are very intellectual, and they are definitely a intelligent person, and but they want to be single as of now. But overall energy, they want equal give and take. This is six of pentacles, okay? So they don't want to commit, or they don't want to marry you, but still they want some equal give and take. Maybe that is a love or a respect, okay? They don't have any hatred towards you, I can see. They don't have any um, anger towards you, because they are very loving person. I can see that person is having lot of feelings for you. They are having lot of even they want to share the assets also. Equal give and take means maybe they will come to you and offer you some kind of a job offer or partnership, okay? So they want give equal give and take, and they want to have a balanced relationship with you, okay? So they will think of getting marriage or commitment, they will think later. But as of now they want some equal give and take. They are not very open to you right now, okay? But they are defensive. King of swords means they are very some people, for some of you this person might be very rude, or very narcissistic. I can't say rude actually, but they are a little bit controlling. They can be, okay? Out of love or out of responsibility, they might be a little bit controlling also. Maybe that is the reason also you might have broke up with this person. But from your side I can feel that you feel that this is ended, okay? But from their side I can't see that the feeling, okay? They are not feeling that it is ended, okay? Still they want to work on this connection, and they want to have some equal give and take. I don't see any ending from this person's side, okay? From your side I can see the ending, and from your person's side they are trying to walk away from some connection. Maybe that connection is from their wife, okay? So because maybe they are dealing with divorce matters. But let's see one guidance card from angels and spirit guides. Please give us some one guidance card or advice card, spirit. What is happening for my pile 2? What is happening for my pile 2? Please give us one card of summation. Okay, the Hierophant. Okay, definitely, I mean, this connection has the potential. You both are very trustworthy, and Hierophant is also a marriage card for me, some of you. This is marriage also might happen, because universe is saying that this is a like you are a couple to you are destined to get married. Okay, Hierophant means the marriage card. So many of you, okay, so you might have the blessings from the universe, and you might get married to this person. The energy is very good. Okay, so congratulations, nice card came as an advice. So let's pull their feelings towards you. Let's pull their feelings or messages. Let's pull some messages from them. What are their messages for my file 2 people? Okay, I have enough cards. Let's see. Let this connection be platonic. So they don't want to come into union or like physical connection. They don't want as of now. They're saying that let this connection be platonic. You can never know if you have truly in love until you get separated. Okay, now they are feeling this pain after getting separated from you. They are feeling the pain now. The distance have been killing me. I already told you, many of you must be long distance in a long distance relationship. So they are feeling the difference. Okay, the distance have been killing me. Let's work this out. So now they want to work on this connection, as I told you already. So they want to work on this connection. Fear of rejection. Now they are not communicating with you because they feel that you will reject them. That's why they are not coming to you. I was too much in my head because when you approached him or when you both were in connection, so they were too much in their head. So maybe because of their past or their child custody or okay, for some of you only I'm saying. Okay, so because of many things they are, I was too much in my head. I have thought of taking a trip with you. Okay, they want to take a trip with you. I want to reach out, but I'm afraid. As I told you, they want to reach out, but they want to talk to you, they want to clarify things, but they are afraid. I am stuck now. Please move on. So they are saying that I'm stuck. Maybe they have, as I told you earlier, they have some third party situation or they are dealing with some other person. So they are saying that I am stuck now. They can't get out of that. So they are saying you move on. We both are enjoying our friendship. Maybe this person is already your friend, so they are saying that we both are enjoying our friendship. Okay, that's why let this connection be platonic also there, that we both are enjoying our friendship. So maybe you both are friends. Okay, so now as of now you both are not in talking terms. Maybe you only blocked them, maybe you only started the fight, maybe you are only not communicating or reaching out to them, but they feel that you are their friend, and they want this connection to be platonic for some time. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press bell symbol to get more notifications regarding my new videos. Until then, bye. Whoever chose this amethyst, this reading is for you. So let's see you versus them. What are your feelings right now and what are their feelings towards you? Let's see. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance and clarity. Please give us some guidance and clarity. So what are my viewers' current feelings and energies towards the other person? It is 9 of Suns. What are my viewers' current energies and feelings? What are my person's feelings and what they are thinking right now, what they are doing right now? Please give us some clarity. The Hermit, Two of Moons, Eight of Stars, Lady, two of suns. Okay, so bottom of the deck, it is eight of spears. Bottom of the deck is eight of spears. So let's see. Now let's pull some cards from your person's side. What are their feelings right now? What are their current feelings and energies towards my viewer? Please give us some clarity and guidance. Angels and spirit guides, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their current energies and feelings towards my person? What are they thinking? What are they doing? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Nine of Cups, Queen of Wands, Seven of Cups, Four of Pentacles, Ten of Wands, and Two of Pentacles. Okay, so bottom of the deck, it is Knight of Pentacles. So let's see. How they are feeling, what they are doing right now. Let's see. Okay, I can feel that whoever chose this amethyst, they might be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I can strongly feel that you are Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I can see very few of you Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, the Virgo is very strong. Maybe my viewers are sun sign, moon sign, or rising sign is Virgo. So coming to your person might be, okay, they are Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or I have all the cards at but no air sign. Okay, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces is there, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius is there, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is there, but there is no air sign. Okay, no Aquarius, Libra, Gemini is not there. Okay, so let's see. I can see that right now you are working hard, okay, on your career or anything, maybe on your health or physique, whatever it is. You're working very, very hard and you are almost about to finish this hard work, okay. So you are constantly working there, you are not taking enough rest, you are because you want to forget this person or this connection, so you want to concentrate on something else so that you can forget this person and you can like improve yourself. Okay, so you want to be confident and self-reliant, so you are working on that. So next is nine of suns. Okay, so you are just waiting, you are not doing anything, you are tired, but you are just simply waiting for their call, message, or anything. Okay, so you are simply waiting and you are tired of waiting also. So there is, I can see lot of waiting energy in this my viewer's side. It is a very lot of waiting I can see. You are waiting for this person, you are in a hermit, like you are meditating, you are retreating, trying to understand why this happened, what happened, why we are into this separation, because you feel that this other person as a soulmate and you are like partners made for each other. Okay, so because two of moons is there, that means you both are lovers. I can say that you both are exchanging your cups of love. Okay, that's what you feel. Okay, so you are just waiting for them to come towards you, but there is some blockage I can see, but things are not clear for you. You don't know how the other person is thinking and feeling about you, so you are blindfolded and you are tied to a okay rod. Okay, you are not able to move, you are tired, then both of you are blocked each other, I can feel in this pile. So maybe you blocked the other person or other person blocked you in any way, or means maybe in the social media or WhatsApp or whatever it is. Okay, so you blocked each other, so you don't know what is happening, what exactly you should do, you don't know. So simply you're waiting and you are in a hermit mode. Okay, you are not at all moving, but at the same time you are searching for clarity, you are searching for their information, you are asking maybe mutual friends or family members, somebody, relatives. Okay, but you are not socializing, you are not meeting with anybody else, you are just simply sitting at home and waiting for this person. Okay, then I feel that some of you are pregnant also with this lady card. Okay, that means empress energy. So maybe you are waiting for your husband, maybe for some of you it is your husband, you got married, you are pregnant now and you are waiting for them. Okay, so you have all the qualities and you have everything in your life, money, then social status, everything you have, you are abundant, you are empress. Okay, you have everything, but only this person is not there. So I can feel some of you this is long distance connection also. Maybe they went abroad for job purpose. Okay, so you are simply waiting for them when they will come back. Okay, when they can, you can meet them. So 2 is very prominent for you, I can see here, and even 8 also is very prominent. Maybe 2 and 8, maybe your birthday or that person's birthday, your person's birthday. Okay, so that's what I can see. And 9 is also prominent. 8, 9 and 2. Three numbers are prominent. Maybe August, February or September might be prominent. Okay. So now coming to your person's cards. Okay. I can see your person is very much single. They are not married. They are in a very independent energy, but they also see you as their wish fulfillment. Okay, they want to offer their cup of love to you. Maybe they are very much attractive and they are handsome. Okay, so they are eligible bachelor or bachelorette. Okay, they are also sitting and waiting for you, but they are in energy of queen. Okay, so queen of wands, but that means they want to have a passionate connection with you, and they have lot of passion towards you, they are very much attracted towards you. But the thing is they are confused because they have so many options, so many people are behind them. Okay, because they are in a nine of cups energy. Okay, they are like they are very much attractive and handsome, maybe beautiful. So people are behind them and they have lot of options and choices, so they don't want to commit right now and they are enjoying their singlehood. Okay, so that is the reason they are confused whether they should come towards you or not, they don't know. So as I told you already, you both blocked each other, or you blocked them, or they blocked you, I don't know. So they are also confused what to do. They are not expressing their feelings and they are keeping their things with themselves only. This Four of Pentacles is there, so they are not expressing their feelings. So they are shy or introvert, so they don't want to express their feelings. They feel that it is being vulnerable is weakness. Okay, they don't want to express their feelings, or they are saving money. Okay, there are multiple meanings for this, and I can see that this connection is a some kind of a burden for them. So they are carrying this burden and they are trying to walk away from this connection. I can see the 10 of wands, they feel that it is very much burdensome, and they are juggling with two people or two things. Okay, maybe their job and this connection, or maybe someone else. Okay, they are not committed, but maybe they are flirting with somebody. So they are juggling with two things or two people, but slowly their overall energy is Knight of Pentacles. That means they are coming towards you very very slowly. So Knight of Pentacles is a very strong, stable, trustworthy, loyal and grounded movement. But the thing is they move very very slow. Okay, the slowest moving in the pile, but still they want to come towards you, they want to offer their cup of love, they want to offer you the gift, they will come towards you with an offer definitely. Okay, they're planning for them, they are strategizing to come towards you, how to come towards you, they are planning. Okay, they want to come directly instead of messaging or calling. So they want to come towards you directly. Okay, that is what I can feel from your person. So now let's see What are the advice card? Spirit and angels, what are the advice card? What is the advice card for my viewers and their connection? One card please, one card of submission. Please give one card of submission. Please give one card of submission. Okay, justice. So definitely they want to come towards you. This is also kind of a marriage card only. So universe is saying that definitely you both will come together, overcome all these obstacles and problems, and you will be united together. You can see the both hands are joined together. So definitely universe is saying you will be together, you will be reconciled, you will have balance in your life in this connection. So don't worry, universe is promising you. So be happy friends, don't worry about this person. Okay, so let's see their messages for you. Let's see their messages for you. Let's pull their messages for you. Okay, that's all. I have enough cards now. Let's see. Candlelight dinner. So they want to have candlelight dinner. This situation involves marriage. Okay, so either they are married and they are coming away from that connection, or you both are married. Okay, so this situation is involved marriage. Okay, so as I told you already, maybe some of you, my viewers, are looking for their husband or wife. Okay, some of you are pregnant also. Engagement. Okay, they are already engaged with you, or you are already married. Okay, so engagement card also is there. Long distance relationship. Okay, so as I told you, this is a long distance relationship. Twin flames. They feel that you both are twin flames. Heart to heart conversation. So they want heart to heart conversation with you. I acted like as it wasn't a big deal when it really was breaking my heart. Okay, so they acted like nothing happened. Financially unstable, as I told you already, they are working on their pentacles, they are saving money with the four of pentacles card. I miss you. Surely they will miss you. They are missing you. You are my best friend. Maybe both of you are friends earlier. Fear of commitment. As I told you, this person is not willing to commit right now. Okay, so fear of commitment. So some people have this fear, like when they commit to somebody, it is kind of a tied up, or they feel suffocated, some of them. Okay, marriage. Wow, friends, very nice. Marriage also is there, engagement also is there. What else you want? Okay, they want to marry you, they want to engage with you. After every storm, there comes sunshine. Please wait for me. They are asking you to wait. Don't move on, you wait. I couldn't let you get close to me. So now they are saying that they earlier they were not allowing you to come close to them. I wish I had treated you better. Now definitely they are regretting that they didn't treat you better. Okay, that's all I have for you, friends. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.